And Jesus offers restoration. No matter where you are in life, no matter where you've been in life, no matter what's still in your future, there's restoration available to you because Jesus hung on the cross. He did it for you so that you would be with him in eternal paradise forever. That's where he wants you to be. And so he offered all the restoration that you would need for your entire life, looking for you to just continually get back up, brush yourself off, and look to him for forgiveness.